Welcome back to our class, children. Already we discussed how the maps were made in our previous class, and as well as different kinds of maps. That is, once again we are recalling here physical maps, and political maps, and climate maps. Let us see here physical, political, and climate maps, and as well as directions also we saw here. Already we know that four directions. Once again, I am reminding you, that is north, and another one is south, third one is east, and fourth one is west. North, south, east, west. And later on we discuss four sub directions also. That is north east, south east, north west, and southwest. This is different part. Here, why we should analyze these maps? Why should we read the different kinds of maps? For this purpose, we have to see the history of these maps. If we see the history of maps, now we are going to see the history of maps. Let us see here the history of maps. If we see, maps have a long history. Why these maps have a long history? Because the earliest maps were made by Babylonians. Who made the earliest maps? These earliest maps were made by and after these Babylonians, after Sumerians, the Babylonians also made the earliest maps, and later Greeks, and later on Romans. Romans wanted to conquer the entire world. By preparing the world maps. So if we see the history beyond the maps, these maps have a long history. Earliest maps, if we see those who prepared these earliest maps, we can observe these earliest maps were made by the Sumerians. At present, this is in Iraq. At present, this Sumeria is in Iraq. After the Sumerians, the maps were prepared by Babylonians. And after these Babylonians, the maps were prepared by the Greeks. Then after, maps were prepared by the Romans. Here, in and around the Mediterranean Sea, in and around the Mediterranean Sea, they made their world. Why? Because they know only in and around the Mediterranean Sea only, a remaining world like Africa. They don't know about this Africa. And at the time, there was no sea routes. Were not found. So, they were aware of in and around the Mediterranean Sea. That's why they prepared here maps for their regions only in and around the Iraq and as well as Greece and Rome. Greece, Iraq and Rome. Iraq, Greece and as well as the Rome. And upcoming years, the Romans started the preparing the world maps. Here, a famous geographer, Ptolemy, he was a famous geographer. He prepared detailed world maps. He was a famous Greek geographer, Ptolemy. He prepared detailed world maps. For the first time, these maps were prepared by Sumerians. The Sumeria is in at present Iraq. After the Sumerians who prepared the world maps, if we see here, the Babylonians made the earliest maps after the Sumerians. After the Babylonians, the Greeks were prepared the world maps. Then after Romans prepared the world maps. These Romans wanted, they were interested to conquer the entire world. Here, the detailed world maps, if we see those who prepared here, that is the Ptolemy prepared the detailed world maps. Later, Arab scholars and sailors used to write the books that is copied from the Greek. Arab scholars and sailors used to write books. Here, Al-Aydirshi, a famous Arab map maker, prepared Al-Aydirshi, he prepared a world map for his king in the year 1154. Who prepared a detailed map in the year 1154 for his king, that is the Arab map maker from Arabia. Who was that famous map maker prepared for his king in 1154? That is Al-Aydirshi. He was a scholar and map maker and as well as a sailor. He prepared a detailed world map for his king in the year 1154. After preparing the 1480s, Europeans in the year 1480, Europeans, they rediscovered the Ptolemy books. Here once again let us listen. If we see the history of maps, they have a long history. Here, Iraq, this was the name of Sumeria. The present name of Sumeria was Iraq. Earliest maps were made by the Sumerians. One word answer this is. Who made the earliest maps in the world? Sumerians made the earliest maps. After the Sumerians, who made the maps in the world? After the Sumerians, Babylonians made the earliest maps. Then after, who made the maps? Greeks. From Greece, Athens. And later, Romans. From Rome, Alexandria. From Rome, Alexandria, Catholics. From Catholic Church. They also prepared the world maps. Why? Because these Romans prepared the world maps because they wanted to conquer the entire world. For conquering the world, they prepared the world maps. In and around the Mediterranean Sea, they have an idea. That's why here, Europe, Asia, around this Mediterranean Sea, that is called as the Euro-Asia continent. And here, a famous geographer, Ptolemy, Greek geographer he was. Here he prepared detailed world maps. Who prepared detailed world maps? Ptolemy prepared detailed world maps. After that, Arab scholars and as well as the sailors, they used to write the books for themselves. Why? Because here all the maps were put together. That's why it's called as Atlas. It's called as Atlas. Now let us see. This is the Atlas. Here different number of copies are put in this. Here the entire world, including our country to all these areas were put in this world map. Here almost all the continents including Asia, Africa and Europe, and as well as Australia, and as well as Oceania and North America, South America, all these regions, including polar ice caps, world and the entire physical, political and as well as whatever we discussed in previous class, all these were put in this together. This is called as the atlas. Here in this, by using this atlas, we are able to find out wherever these places are located and how can we are easily find out these places. So we are using this world outline map for easy pointing out purpose. Here if we see, this is the Mediterranean Sea. Now I am shading this Mediterranean Sea. Let us see here. This is the Mediterranean Sea. Here, this is Europe and as well as Asia. And here, between Europe and Africa, what is there? This is the Mediterranean Sea is dividing these two continents. Here, Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt. Here under the Mediterranean Sea, we can see here Libya. In this male, I am using the simple word for our recognition purpose, M-A-L-E, male. M for Morocco, A for Algeria, and L for Libya, and E for Egypt. Morocco, Algeria, Libya, and Egypt. We use India. And sailors needed, they wanted the correct land. They wanted to mark all these lands where these are located. That's why in the year 1498, Vasco da Gama, he started his sailing. And he landed a group of islands, and he thought himself, I landed in India, but he did not land into India. He landed on a small group of islands. That's why he called that people as the native Indians. Here, different kinds of peoples. For the analysis of these maps, they started their sailing and they wanted to conquer by using these maps. They wanted to establish, they wanted to spread their kingdoms. They wanted to capture the power by using these conquests. So, we are learning here history of maps, my dear students. Once again, try to listen. Here, these maps have a long history. The earliest maps were made by whom? Sumerians. Who made the earliest maps? Sumerians. Where was the Sumeria at present? It was in Iraq. And after Sumerians, who made the earliest map? Babylonians. Then after who made? Greeks. After that, Romans. Romans wanted to conquer the entire world. And after that, a Greek geographer, Ptolemy, he prepared detailed world maps for his Greek people. And Arab scholars and as well as the sailors also used to write books. And we are going to discuss now the difference. Already we told you that map and photograph. Everywhere, wherever we are. If we are in 6th standard, we are in 7th, we are in 8th standard. Here we are reading and we are analyzing of these maps. Just analyzing the maps. How these maps are. Already we discussed different kinds of maps. We are unable to carry that globe from one place to another place. That's why instead of this globe, we are using a plain paper. In this plain paper, we are able to see all the countries together. We are able to see all the places together. So, we made ourselves these countries for our convenience purpose. Okay. Here, in the year 1154, for his king, a Arab map maker, Al-Aidshi, he prepared a world map. After making the world map, 1480, here Ptolemy prepared here, famous geographer prepared detailed world maps already we discussed. And after the preparation of Ptolemy, the detailed world map, here Europeans also rediscovered here whose maps were rediscovered by the Europeans. Europeans were rediscovered by the Ptolemy books. He wrote different kinds of books on the maps, how the maps were, and as well as the different kinds of maps, physical, geographical, climatical, thematical, and as well as the historical. Whatever it may be, the maps they prepared here, they placed Greece in the middle of their country. Why? Because they had a knowledge in and around their country only. So they practiced and they made different kinds of maps. Next, in upcoming class, we discuss about how is the lifestyle after the discovery of these maps. By using these maps, how the people and as well as the kings, they conquered the entire world one by one. We discuss in our next coming class.